At Prestonwood, our students brought over 1,300 cereal boxes in to donate to the network of community ministries. Our students and their parents got to set up all of these cereal boxes into a giant domino run.
Run, run, Rudolph, Santa's gotta make it to town. Santa, make him hurry, tell him he can take the freeway down. Run, run, Rudolph, I'm reeling like a merry-go-round.
Then our students, staff, volunteers loaded all of our cereal boxes onto a school bus so they could get to their final location. Our class that donated the most cereal boxes, Mr. Copley's 4th grade class, got to go on the bus to the network to donate the boxes in person, to have a tour of the facility, and to understand more fully how it impacts our end users.
Network for Community Ministries helped and assisted over 67,000 families. And with that total, that's the equivalent of almost 140 schools the size of Prestonwood Elementary. And we know that when there's a certain amount of ounces times a certain number of boxes, we can be able to help our students calculate the weight that we had donated. So in addition for this being great for the Prestonwood community and the community of individuals that benefit from the network, we even have a math lesson out of this.
And we're so excited because it really goes along with loving our community and with our district theme this year of Power of Love.